In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download media, including videos, from Behance when there isn't a built-in download button available. Now, it's important to keep in mind that Behance doesn't provide this option for most media unless the creator specifically allows it. This is why exploring how to use third-party tools can be so handy. And today, we'll focus on one particular tool that I find to be the easiest and the best solution for this task. Introducing Locoloader Behance Downloader, a web-based tool that effortlessly lets you download both images and videos from public Behance projects. It's pretty straightforward, and I'm excited to walk you through how to use it today. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Behance project that contains the media you wish to download. It's just a matter of browsing through Behance and finding that specific project. Once you've found it, simply copy the URL from the address bar. This URL is the key link you'll need for downloading. Next, head over to Locoloader Behance Downloader. You can do this by searching for Locoloader Behance Downloader on your preferred search engine, or you might already have it bookmarked for quick access. Once there, you'll notice a clean and intuitive interface designed to make the downloading process as simple as possible. There should be a text field or a box prominently displayed on the main page. Go ahead and paste the URL you copied from Behance into this text box. What happens next is pretty neat. Locoloader will automatically analyze the URL and generate thumbnails for every video or image present in the Behance project. This feature allows you to visually confirm that you've selected the right project and are about to download the correct media. After Locoloader displays these thumbnails, all you have to do is click on the video or image thumbnail you wish to download. This tool then provides you with the option to download the video, usually in MP4 format, and typically offers the best available resolution. This ensures your downloaded content is of high quality, ready for you to watch offline whenever you like. And there you have it. It's that easy to use Locoloader Behance Downloader to get media from Behance projects. Remember, it's always important to respect the original creator's rights and intentions, so make sure that your download is for personal use or within the permissions allowed by the creator. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it simplifies your experience with downloading from Behance. Thanks for watching and happy downloading!